We recently announced our investments across AMEA region, and as you're aware, this investment is across differentiation in services. How do we build our differentiation in services what we provide to the customers? In terms of capability, we're going to hire 400 plus people across AMEA region. And how do we globalize a lot of platforms in terms of the services across AMEA region, and we're making investments actually on our network. These three areas we are strengthening. Along with the people we're going to hire, we're going to focus on industries country by country which are really in terms of bringing our value to them. And that's the investment we are making across AMEA, which we just announced today.
What are your focus areas in Indian enterprise market?
Let's understand Indian enterprise market. When we came in, we actually followed our customers. We came in here to serve our customers who were global MNCs making their footprint here into the country. The second step was a lot of Indian companies were making investments outside. They were in need of platforms of same harmonized services so that they could carry their products and services across the globe. We became partners, and we became the supplier of telecom and other suite of services on top of that. Third thing was we started making investments in terms of bringing local capabilities which were really had to be cost innovative models for them. Hence we started focusing on domestic customers. So these are the three areas we started focusing on. But having built the capabilities in India, we started verticalizing and started bringing our domain knowledge, whether it was media and broadcast, whether it was FSI, which is financial services, whether it was healthcare, and now specifically also in retail segment, we are making a lot of investments here in this country.
Which are the main industry verticals still investing in IT?
I think IT has become the backbone of every industry. And whenever you want to really expand globally, or whenever you want to look at either way, whether you're growing or whether we are scaling up or scaling down, you need an IT to really bring efficiency within your system. So hence, IT network is really integral part of any industry and every industry.
Business-wise, India is still recovering from some kind of slowdown. What is the the year 2014 for you?
Let's understand, we just got some reports and we're saying global multinationals are still making investments, and a lot of Indian multinationals are still globalizing their business models. So those, as they are our customer segments, though economy sometimes is cyclic, but I think in a longer run and in a shorter time frame, we definitely going to see upsurge in that. As far as our focus area in 2014 is concerned, we are definitely going to focus on healthcare, we're going to focus on retail, we're also going to strengthen our portfolio and domain expertise for financial services, regular IT enabled services, and in terms of pharmaceutical, which we are globally have our vertical.
You are on a hiring spree in India. Can you share more details? What kind of resources you are looking at?
I think if you are aware, we announced around 6 months back our Global Development Center in Bangalore, wherein we are hiring around 600 people, and today we announced 400 plus people will be hired across AMEA region, and some may out of that will come to India.
What will be the single most challenge in India? Single most challenge in India?
I think we are doing very well. As you've seen our investment plan, and we have just announced it today also that we're going to invest across AMEA. India is also part of one of the emerging segments along with other emerging countries in AMEA. I think as far as India is concerned, we are doing pretty decent job. We have launched a lot of new services on top of that, the network platform which I discussed a few minutes back. More importantly, I think some of the applications led discussions which we are doing with the customers, especially in healthcare and retail, I think are going to give us really good benefits in the near run.
Cloud mobility and security is the focus area for you. Can you share some of the trends or some of the demands of the enterprise CIOs?
I think, as you rightly said, when we talk to most of the CIOs, the 3 or 4 top areas, they talk about cloud, they talk about mobility, they talk about security, and they talk about UC, they talk about video. So on top of our telecom platform, we are really bringing the services. Hence, we are making investments in terms of professional services, and also in terms of building some capabilities here in India around cloud, so that we can really bring these virtualization services across the globe, and also we can bring some kind of cloud services, compute services for our customers in India. We're also making investments in terms of device management, mobile device management applications on top of BOID applications, so that we can bring that suite of services for our customers. We are also making ecosystem partners to really deliver our healthcare domain expertise to our Indian customers. And more importantly, we're also, as you know, we're already running a security operating center SOC from India, so we're really bringing those services for our customers.